Versioning and timestamping features. Yeah, here is Eclipse. Eleven zero. What is there? 515. Close all editors. That's great. Yes. What is the other option we are having? This is what? Paint. Class content. Spring. Where is this? 515. Spring data JPA. Yeah, session 12. What is the 12 one? Versioning and what? Timestamping. Yeah, it's a great feature, guys. If you want to implement this feature in JDBC, we need to take the support of triggers. So much hangama we have to do. But here, just add one to annotation, feature is ready. It's a very, very useful feature, right? Okay, we'll read the notes, we'll see later. First, try to understand versioning. When you use this feature, boss, Hibernate keeps tracking how many times object is loaded and modified through Hibernate persistence logic. It will insert one extra column in the table and it will keep on incrementing that value by 1 for every modification. 10 times you modify it, it will increment by 10. 20 times you modify, it will increment by 20. It must be numeric property pointing to the column. For every modification you do, it will be incremented by 1. That is called versioning. What's the use of this? Array, in bank, if you change the 3 to 4 time address, no charges. Fourth time onward, charge will be there. There should be someone to keep track of how many time modification is done. Instead of me spending separate time for that, if some property is there, happily it is taking care of now, boss. Okay. Next, Airtel caller tune, Geo caller tune, free 3-4 time. Fourth time onward, they charge money for changing caller tune now, boss. But to charge, first of all, someone should keep track of how many times the modifications are done. Are you getting my point? So for that one, this versioning feature is very, very useful or not, guys? This versioning feature is very, very, really, really useful or not, guys? Say something, my dear. Come on. Yes. Yeah, like a GitHub also versioning, but that is a coding related one, not related to database, right? Okay, that is about versioning feature. For that one, what is the annotation we should use on the entity class property? @version. What is the property? Version. Okay, when record is inserted, inserting 0. For every modification, incrementing that value by 1. We don't do that. Hibernate will take care. But that modification should be done only through Hibernate persistence logic. Through SQL prompt, I modified Hibernate should increment by 1 means it's not going to do. Only for Hibernate persistence logic related modification, it will do that. Then what about timestamping, sir? It keeps track of when record is inserted and also keep track of when it is lastly accessed and modified. When exactly record is inserted and when exactly record is accessed and modified. This is another interesting aspect or not, guys? Come on, my dear. I want reply from you people. Convinced or not? I want to ask one opinion. Okay, like see, to save the time and to spend more time for explanation, typing, experiment, I'm using the notes that is already prepared for other batch. Is it okay, or are you feeling uncomfortable? Should I type in front of you? It's okay, na? Because if I start typing, 50-60% time is I have to spend in typing only. So definitely durations will increase, and how much I control definitely it affect the explanation part also, right? But now I'm not spending more on boilerplate code. This is definitely boilerplate code, na? But at the same time, we are not just taking that. We are adding new points. We are changing example. Maybe reference example in the paint may be X, but in the practicals, we are taking different new scenarios, right? I hope it's okay. Because yesterday that Chikki Chekka commented, and today someone in the group also said that I'm not getting anything. Can I pass the exam? Arey, in software job, exams will not be there, right? Interviews will be there. No, I'm right. I just want to reconfirm. I know it's working. It's not. See, if I type in front of you, by the time you practice, it is again ready-made notes only, na? I type it here. But when you go to home, when you collect the notes from this, okay, that's again already prepared notes only, na? So little bit cooperation. Otherwise, the course is touching 6 months, 7 months. With this model, I'm able to make it at least make 4 months. I mean, say 120 sessions, not exactly months. Number of sessions wise, I'm able to make 120 to 120 sessions. Okay, bit cooperation is required. It's good. Everything is mentioned in the notes too. I do write everything in the notes. You know that, right? Fine. Little cooperation, guys. No, it's not. It does not mean that is I'm not giving the note that is downloaded from internet. It's I only prepared that notes, right? Okay, fine. Because see, earlier people used to give time, but nowadays students are not giving time. Even management also rushing me. How many days you will teach? Fine, right. So that too, see, as per industry requirements only, because see, day-to-day strengths also reducing. But at the same time, my basic principle of teaching is don't smuggle subject for the sake of any reason. So in the given time, I have to deliver whatever I want to deliver. Now, if you want me to smuggle subject, I can smuggle, but I don't feel working. Because when I'm smuggling subject, I don't feel working. I can do something else, right? Because first of all, my job satisfaction is important, remaining all other things. Okay, fine. I think you're comfortable. We can continue this nicely. Okay, if needed, I'll conduct one poll because I'm seeing randomly one, two people coming and no, they are not sincere student, but still they are pinging. But what happens, those one, two idiots will influence others. Oh, something wrong happening here, kind of thing. I hope you are, no, give me genuine feedback. It's not like that. We can continue in this model. It's notes is useful when you practicing, when you are doing practical. Everything is readable, everything is understandable, right? Okay, right, boss. Yeah, time stamping. It keeps track of, yeah, it keeps track of when record is inserted, when record is lastly accessed and modified. Record inserted one value. Records is modified 10 times, ma. Okay, first time it will remember first time modification date and time. Second time in the same record, the first value will be replaced with the second value, third value. Second value will be replaced with the third value. Third value will be replaced with the fourth value. So always maintains last access and date and time. What's the use of it? Array, I opened bank account. If someone keeps track of it, on this day you opened account and your account is lastly operated on this date, it would be really nice, na boss. And debit card, credit card utilization. On this day you taken credit card. It is lastly accessed on so and so time and date. It will be nice or not, guys. Suppose you lost the card. someone is misusing. By seeing what? When it is lastly accessed, by tracing the location, you can catch the thief, or at least you can collect the card or not. I think it happened to my friend. He has gone to some restaurant. He's a foodie kind of person. After paying bill, okay, he forgot to take the card back. And some people, they don't type the pin number. They will tell pin number to a waiter very poshly, because they feel the people will, they're luxury people kind of. Trust should be there kind of thing. My friend is also that kind of show off candidate. Okay, na? Okay. And when waiter asked him, type your pin number. No, take it. Some number he said, and he typed. After that, when you go to restaurant with friends, lot of masti mazaka will be there. In that process, he forgot to collect the card. Waiter also observed, oh, these guys are doing masti, and this one. He has stolen the card, not returned the card back. Okay. 2 days he has not operated. 2 days he has really not operated. Okay, na? Okay. Third day, he has gone to some corner place in the city and started operating card. He started getting notifications. He got the tension. Okay. And he kept the message, this is how happening. So then we did some R&D in the YouTube, and asked some bank friends. Will be circle will be there, na? So they said, don't worry, in our database, last access time and location both will be recorded. I will share that information with you. Right. Luckily, he has gone to some parcel counter and ordered some rare item, and paid money and waiting for the delivery. Waiting for the delivery. My friend gone. My friend gone then. Okay, right. He noticed, by the time he noticed, the waiter understood, oh, waiter has done the hangama. Right. So my friend did not say anything, just gone there, given handshake. This is my card. I'm taking back, and came back. No scolding, no fighting. And he asked, how much you spend? He said some 4,000-5,000 rupees. Okay, no problem. Okay. No problem. And that time onwards, he is not telling pin number to his family members also. He is not telling pin number for his what? Family members also. Right? Yeah. It's because that application has implemented what? Timestamp feature, right? So like benefits will be there. Sometimes direct benefits, sometimes indirect benefits. Okay. Yeah, you said. It keeps track of versioning, guys. How many times the entity object is loaded and modified using Hibernate logic, directly or indirect. For this, we need to add @version annotation on the top of numeric property, which internally creates one numeric column in DB table, whose value will be incremented by 1 for every update operation on the object. Keeping caller tune change count, keeping track of DOB change count in Aadhaar card, and etc. Time stamping. It keeps track of one, how many times the record is so when record is inserted, when it is lastly accessed and updated. It will maintain both date time values of when the object is saved and when the object is lastly updated. For this, we need to use what annotation? Creation timestamp, update timestamp on local date time properties of an entity class or not, guys. Useful to keep track of when bank account is opened and lastly operated. Useful to keep track of when Flipkart or Gmail account is opened and lastly operated. To implement these features in JDBC, we need to put lot of code in multiple angles, working with the triggers, event management, so many things we need to do or not, guys. But in Hibernate, it's a part of basic ecosystem or not, guys. Just a few annotations are there. Everything is taken care by Hibernate, my dear. Is it not interesting aspect, my dear? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Shall we start implementing it? Similarly, when doctor is inserted, when he has lastly updated his information, how many times doctor details are modified? Maybe fee, maybe phone number, whatever it is. So we want to keep track of that information or not, guys? We definitely keep track of that information or not. I want reply from you people. Come on. Got the clarity or not, guys? Super, boss. Yeah. Right, guys. Tell me here, new. I think everyone has got tomorrow's plan. Tomorrow, 10 a.m. It's on common topic that is Spring Boot JMS. 10 a.m. online. Online. Okay. Yeah. Sunday, 7 a.m. online. Monday, 7 a.m. online. And that is all 3 days common topic only. Okay. After, after these two classes, after these three classes, next class will be on what? Uh, Tuesday, offline continuation of Spring Data JPA. That is going to be continuation of Spring Data JPA. Is that clear? Yeah, actually, I'm going out of station. Not, I think everyone aware I'm going to Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore on my small gathering is there with senior students. At the same time, I have some company work also. Right, we are launching one new product in Bangalore city. So because of both the reasons, I am going there. So I will be back on Tuesday. Tuesday as usual, regular schedule. But I don't want to uh, like. Uh, disturb the flow of learning. Okay. Further, anyhow, like our corporate events and corporate gatherings will happen around 11 onwards, right? So morning 7 a.m. onwards, I will be free in the hotel room, right, boss? So let me engage with you people, right? Let me engage with you people because yeah, Tuesday 5 p.m. Yeah, it's not 5 p.m. as usually 5:15, 5:20. I am starting the session. You know that. Fine. I think you have to log in with the common topics link, guys. What link? Common topics link. You have to log in with the common topics link only. New, where is this, guys? Where is this? Other. What is there? Spring Starter project. What project? Spring Starter project. Tell me here. What is this? Spring Starter project. Here is my Saturday 10 a.m. Because why Saturday 10 a.m. means because whole night I will be in the driving or what journey, right? So there's no guarantee I will reach by 7 a.m. or not. So that's why on safe side I kept at what? 10 a.m. I safe side I kept at what? 10 a.m. But remaining all days I will be there in hotel room, pakka for guarantee. Okay. That's why it is what? This one. See, already I informed these timings to other batches. Now I cannot change them. So it's confirmed. So you adjust yourself, please. I don't create new project. Already basic project is there. Na? There we try to add the new properties. These two features. Raka Kumar. What is Raka meaning? Your name is sounding very great. I don't have common topics link. Okay. That means you have missed last common topic also, it seems. Go to Google Drive common videos folder. There I kept common topics link. Link is already kept in Google Drive. Search in common videos. Yeah. What is our folder, guys? Where is the folder? Boot data JPA. Right. You truly admire, respect you, but we notice maybe due to pressure management, certain people, your teaching style has changed a bit recently. Earlier, many students able to follow easily. Some of us finding harder to keep it up, especially since technical subject, it's honest feedback. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, that's Saurabh, that is what I discussed. Saurabh, that is what I discussed. I can underline, but I cannot type because if I start typing, it has to be typed from the beginning. Right, Mr. Saurabh? It's not rushing, spending more time on what? Explanation. I can take use cases. I can take this one. Fine. Otherwise, I'll do one thing at least. Now onwards, at least I try to underline the new few lines which you want to stress. Because see, simple. I have able to give use cases, some jokes on versioning and time stamping because I don't have pressure of typing, right? I have only to need to, I have to inject the subject in your brain. If I start typing it, my focus will be on base what? Giving those definitions only, right? Saurabh, I think you can change. Actually, in big colleges, IITs also, they come up with presentation slides and they present. You know that, right? Okay. Sundarji, based on your availability, we'll meet in Bangalore. Could you please share the hotel details? Yeah, definitely. Sundar, you can definitely meet me. I will tell. Okay, Sundar, you mail me, I will reply. Mail me, I will be reply, and I will be like near to this Budigere. Sundar, do you know Budigere place? Yeah, I'll be in that particular location, Budigere Cross. Right. Can you come back to the subject? Okay. Saurabh, I definitely respect your opinion. I'm not taking in a negative manner, but typing leads to total typing. Partial typing not possible. And that again leads to impacts everything else. So that's one aspect. That's what I'm requesting, right? And lots of people compare with my old style. Earlier also, I used to draw few diagrams and remaining everything. I used to give printed material. I don't know whether you remembered or not. For your students, senior students, I used to give what printed books. But now everything is digitalized. That's why I'm sharing everything in what Google Drive. Okay, fine, guys. Shall we get into the subject? It's not rushing. It's spending more time in what practicals and explanation. Think in that perspective. Where is this, guys? Custom 05 custom method, query method. I think we'll take this copy, the basic copy. Where is this, guys? Number 606. Yes, my dear. And moreover, the people who are coming regularly doing practicals, I don't think they are feeling difficulty. But there are some people, they think I just sit in the class, I should get everything into my brain. Those people definitely should think once. Why? Because it's a practical subject. When I teach something, you have to practice. So when you come next time, ID looks old thing, the environment looks old thing. Otherwise, what happened? Every day ID looks great because you are not doing practicals, you are not resisting the environment. So think about that angle also, Sundar. Maybe you are feeling bit hard because you are not doing practicals. That could be one reason. Please check it out. Yeah. Boot data JPA. What is there, guys? 6. Versioning and timestamping. Versioning and timestamping. That's great. com.nt. Here is, where is this, guys? 06. JPA repository application. What application? JPA repository application. No, what is there? Versioning and what is there, guys? Time stamping. Versioning and time stamping application. Say next. Say next. save finish. Save okay. No, see, I'm happy, but I heard there are people who open ready-made applications also, right? When you are not able to take ready-made notes, how you will manage with the ready-made applications, right? Fine. Okay. Let it be. We'll worry about ours. Here is what? Doctor.java. Here. Can I say JP underscore doctor underscore version underscore TS, guys? Version underscore TS, my dear. Come on. Yeah. I will use my generators, one or other generator. I think we can manage with auto generator only. Yes. We can manage with auto generator. That's great. No transient for the fee, guys. Now remember, guys, this versioning, okay, time stamping related properties and columns are called metadata. They don't carry original data. They carry additional data about each record or not, guys. Data about data is what? Metadata. Are they holding real doctor information? No. They are holding how many time doctor record is modified. How many time what? How many time doctor record is modified. How many time what? What is there? Yes, guys. Yeah. Where is this? Metadata. What is this? Metadata. Tell me here, what is this? Private. Can I say column as integer or int? Integer or int? Tell me. Update counter. Yes. Update count. Update count. At the rate column. If you want, you can take the same. If you don't take at the rate column, same thing will continue. Same update underscore count will come, right? Okay, but I'm just adding at the rate version. I'm just using at the rate this one. Okay. Rohita Das. Okay. I used it for 1-2 seconds. That to guide my team, Ra Babu. Please. Rohita Das. I used 1-2 seconds to guide my team. You know, I have small team to manage, right? So we have a small group. They ask for my confirmation, few confirmation. I hardly type yes, no, go ahead. Those minutes, those seconds also you don't give to me, yeah? Please. Okay, fine. Then we come to one deal. While teaching, I don't touch mobile. While listening, can you assure you don't touch mobile? Huh? Okay, you assure, but what about others? Okay, okay, I'm keeping far distance. Happy, yeah? Right. Tell me, private integer, what is there, guys? Update count. Then what is next one? Local date time. What is there? Local date time. Yeah, tell me, guys. Joined, resisted on. What is there? Resisted on. Private, local date time. Last. mm, Last updated on. Lastly updated on. Lastly updated on. Tell me here, what is this? At the rate creation timestamp. At the rate creation timestamp. at the rate, what is there? Update timestamp. At the rate creation timestamp, at the rate update. These are metadata properties now, boss. These are definitely what properties, guys? Metadata properties. Okay, that's great. Yes, boss. Okay. This is my doctor.java. This is my what? Repository. Here is my what? Runners. Okay, this is not runners, guys. Okay, we'll go for what? Hmm. JPA repository runner. This is my versioning and timestamping. What runner, guys? Test runner. Versioning and timestamping test runner. Got it, guys? Yes. Okay. See, to get the feeling, when record is inserted, count is 0, updation is inserted. Okay. So first I have to have one save object method, right? Okay. Then to get the feeling, whenever record is updated, it is what? Keeping track of the changes, right? For that one, I have to have one update method, my dear. Okay. I'll go to the eye doctor management service, boss. I go to eye doctor management service. That's great. Eye doctor management service. That's great. Here is my what, guys? Public string. Register doctor. What is there? Doctor. Register doctor. Add unimplemented methods. Okay. I need not to do anything for version and other thing. Okay, na? That's a great news. Okay, guys. Tell me here. String, not string, int ID value is equal to doc repo dot. What is there? Doc repo dot. Doc repo dot. Where is that? Doc repo dot save doctor dot get did. Okay. Doctor object is saved. What is there? With ID values. What values? With ID values. Plus ID value. Doctor object is saved with ID values, ID value. I doctor management service. Doctor management service IMPL. Are you comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay. This is what? Save operation is done. Similarly, better to have an update object also. Partial update only will take. Why full update, guys? Okay. Right. West fellow came back. Right, guys. Tell me next one. Here we have to update it or not. Public string. Doctor fee we try to update, guys. Whenever we update the doctor fee, I want to increment count version count will increment and up that one also. Yeah, tell me, guys. Public string. Where is this? Modify doctor fee. Modify doctor fee into DID into ID double. What is this? Hike percent. What is there, guys? Into ID double hike percent. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super, guys. Chicky, if you have a guts, face me. Coming and going, why are you doing? And why are you disturbing others' learning process? Okay, Mr. Chicky, already I certify you Chekka, right? And still you are behaving like shameless fellow. Okay, if you have a lot of free time, go and do social service or help others. Why are you wasting my time and other time? Muddy fellow. Is there any option of renaming names immediately? No, he is not the person. Okay. Modify doctor fee into ID, double hike percentage. Double what, guys? Hike percent. Okay, that's great. After that, what next? Public string register doctor into ID. These are the two things. Shall we implement this practically, guys? Okay. Modify doctor. Where is this? Load object. What object, guys? Load object. Optional. What is there? Optional doctor OPT is equal to doctor repo dot find by ID. Okay. If OPT dot is present, OPT dot is present, doctor is equal to OPT dot get. What dot get, guys? OPT dot get. Yeah, tell me. Doctor dot seta. Yeah. Doctor dot set. Doctor dot tell me. Set fee. Set fee. Tell me. Set fee. Doctor dot get fee plus. Okay. Tell me. Doctor dot get fee into. Tell me. Get fee into hike percent by 100.0. Hike percent 100.0. Tell me here. String message is equal to. Okay, no need of that message also. Tell me here what is there. Doc repo dot save. Doc repo dot save doctor. Yes, boss. ID doctor fees updated. Fee is updated. Otherwise, what is this? Okay. ID doctor is not found for updation. ID doctor is not found for updation. Okay, guys, tell me. I doctor management service, IFPL. It's happening or not happening, guys? Come on. Okay. This is my registered doctor. These two are there. But in entity class, one interesting aspect is there. Okay, whenever this is happening, I want to have a column. In this column, see guys, create registered on is going to hold record insertion date and time. That happens only for one time for any record. That this column should not allow any update operations. Can I say updatable is equal to false? Don't allow update activity, allow only insertion activity. Insertable is equal to true, by default true only. Okay, when it comes to timestamp, guys, this column should not respond when record is inserted. This column should respond only when record is updated. So I have to do reverse, guys, here. At the rate column, come on, guys. Insertable is equal to false. Updatable is equal to true. Insertable is equal to false. And what? Updatable is equal to true. Are you getting my point there, my dear? Come on, everyone. Convinced or not, guys? That's great. Okay. Rinky. I think he's Chicky only. Okay. Chicky Chaka. Such a shameless boy. Such a shameless. I doubt he's not a student. He's one of the online class admin only. Otherwise, how you get access to every meeting? In every batch, he will come and wish me. I am Chicky, sir. Okay. Waste fell. I doubt one of the admin only doing this hangama. Because every meeting ID, getting every meeting ID, that too after changing meeting ID is not that much easy for student, right? Okay, fine. Or is a person who got lot of frustration on life. Multiple girlfriends left him. Parents are not allowing to home. Okay, friends are keeping them away. So no one is giving entertainment. He is finding entertainment in the class. Such a waste fellow. Chiki, is it true? That is item Raki Sawant kind of attention seeker. Raki Sawant, I think nowadays one more heroine is doing, not heroine. Who is that one? Who always having controversy with the cricketers? Urvasi Rautela, right. Chiki, you are another Urvasi Rautela. Oh, okay. Lakshman, tomorrow it's a common topics meeting ID, na? Tomorrow for next 3 days, you have to log in with the common topics meeting ID. Yeah. Try, guys. First, I will save the object, boss. First, I will try to save the object. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Doctor. Doctor is equal to, tell me. New doctor of. Okay. Chicky. Hey, he is not doctor. Sorry. He's a waste fellow. Okay. I will take a name Lakshman that is coming there. Address, what is there? Hyderabad. Expert. Ortho specialist. And fees, okay, people's doctor 500 rupees. All right, doctor object is ready with the data. You need not to fill up other column values. That's the beauty. They are metadata, they come automatically, they are updated automatically, everything happens automatically. Okay, string message is equal to doc service dot register doctor. Yes, my dear. System.out.println. Oh, yo. This one shortcut key is giving headache, Ravavu. Are, where is my code? Yeah. Again, this is unnecessarily injecting. Anyhow, this is not related to current one. Na? I think I can remove all this stuff. Yes. Sysout. Sysout message. That's fine. Okay. Right. What is this, guys? Sysout message. Sysout message. We are getting the message. Then one more thing, guys. Catch exception E dot what print stack. And I will take one find by ID method also. I'll take one find by ID also to print when it is update count and creation, when it is created, when it is lastly accessed, right? Okay. Now here I will put one find by ID method related method call. Here is what? Public doctor. Okay. Show doctor by ID. What is there? Int ID. Show doctor by ID int ID. Show doctor by ID int ID. Yeah, tell me. Written directly. Why? We're such a senior fellows now. Doctor report dot find by ID or else what is there? Or else throw. What is there? Or else throw. New. What is there? Illegal argument exception. Where is that, guys? Invalid ID. Illegal argument exception. What is there, guys? Invalid ID. That's great. Invalid ID. Eye doctor management service. Doctor management service. That's great. Okay, fine. Here, I just want to print one message, guys. Doctor is equal to, oh, already doc is equal to, doc service dot, what service dot? Show doctor by ID. What is the ID, guys? We don't know. Achha, new record. New record means it starts with 1. I'm assuming so. It starts with what? 1. Array, auto. Auto means one only. Okay, tell me. Yes. Okay. Update count. Initially nothing will be there. 0 will be there. Update count. Doc dot get update count. Yes, boss. Next, doc dot inserted on. What is there? Inserted on. Inserted on. Doc dot resisted on. Creation timestamp now, my dear. See, this is the creation timestamp. This is the updation timestamp. Okay, that's good. Okay, first we'll see whether it is really happening or not. We'll go for it. Already one record is there, sir. Sorry, not there because Raka, Mr. Raka, I taken new table here. Check it out. Same setup, but table is new. So new table will be created. First time we are inserting record. Yes or no, na, guys? Right. Okay. Right click, guys. Run as. Where is this? Java application. Right click, guys. Run as Java application. Check it out, guys. Doctor object saved with what? Value 1, right? Select operation, update count 0. Alright, just inserted na, boss. And inserted on 18, 10, 24. 18 means 6 o'clock. 18 means what? 6 o'clock. Are you getting my point there or not there? 18, 10, 24. It is 6 o'clock or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, boss. Okay, that's great. So now let me check practically whether it's really happening or not. Yeah, where is this? SQL developer. What developer? It's my pointing to my SQL. Shura. Shura, guys. I think so. It's pointing to Oracle. Let's see. Application.properties, comment MySQL. Okay. You are right. I am wrong. You are right. I am wrong. Fine. Okay. MySQL workbench. Enjoy the learning process. This is my what? Connection 1. This is my what? Connection 1. That's great. Tell me here, where is this? Where is this? 515 dB. Here is what? Tables. Here is what? version underscore TS. That's great. See, last update count 0, registered on, update on is not taken. Why I said insert false for that. Here update false. Okay, remaining all are regular things, right? Okay. No, it will happen for one record, every recorder. It will happen for every record you insert, na? It will happen for what? Every record you insert. Okay, next one. Suresh, Delhi. Okay, tell me. Ortho, something else. Cardio. His fee is some 700 rupees. Right click. See guys, count 0 inserted on this. Look at the table, refresh. Who is coming or not there? Okay, this is insertion related, this one. Now I try to modify the record. By accessing record, I try to modify the record as many times as we want. Let's comment this part, guys. That is a testing part. Try, guys. Okay, we have 1 and 2 records. Let's modify the doctor fee by some percentage. Okay, guys. String message is equal to, what is equal to? String message is equal to doc service dot modify doctor fee. What, guys? Modify doctor fee. Where is this? 1. Hike percentage 20. Hike percentage 20. LK, I think I am removing you because you are a flavor of chicky or chicky itself. Okay, fine. Try to log in with a complete name, then only I will allow you people. String MSG, tell me. Sys out. What is there, guys? Sys out. MSG. Catch exception E dot print stack trace. I'm incrementing the fees by 20%. Okay, that's good. Sys out. Sys out. Here is what? Okay, update count. Update count. Doc dot. What is there? But first of all, you have to load the object now, my dear. Let me load the object. Doc dot. Tell me. Get to update count space. Get to update count. After that, what next? Doc dot. Where is this? Get registered on. Okay. Inserted on. Get registered on. Space. Okay. Lastly updated on. Doc dot. Get lastly updated on. Lastly updated on. That's great. Lastly updated on. Super, guys. Right click, run as Java application. Doctor fee is updated by, oh, error. How come? Why come? Why come? Why come? Doctor dot get fee is null. Still transient is there? Sure. Oh, very bad. Oh, I removed the comment. Ah. Okay, no option. I have to insert fee manually then. Where is fee, guys? Fee column has not come. Why so? Acha, initially it is not there. Okay, no problem. Everything happens for a reason. Drop table, drop now. Total table is dropped, guys. It's auto related. This also dropped, guys. Okay, tables refresh. Okay, now we'll go freshly and we'll first insert the records. Go to runner, guys. Here is my what? Runner. Here is my what? Runner. Yes, boss. Here is my what? Try block. Open, closing. Save this. Save. Right click, guys. Run on Java application. Update count. Doc.get update count. Next, inserted on. Say refresh. One Delhi Suresh cardio 700 registered on not came this. Fee is not there. Why fee is not there? What's happening, guys? Maybe there. We are not seeing it properly. 1 minute. It is very surprising thing for me. Why fee is not coming? Right click, refresh all. This is the one. Look at the columns count. Doctor fee is there. But why it is not reflecting here, guys? Maybe it is a old one. Let me open freshly. Select rows. Yeah, that's right. That's the old one. Okay. Yeah, that is what doctor fee is now coming. Yeah, now think we can manage with a single record only. No problem. Here is what? Try opening and what? Closing. Try opening and what? Closing. Doctor service or modified doctor 1 comma 20. This is there. Super, guys. Done, boss. Right click, run as Java application. Run as Java application. See, update count 1. Inserted on is coming. Lastly updated. See, inserted on 1818. Okay, it is updated on 1820. Okay, look at this. Single record is there and there we are able to see it, guys. Update count is 1. 1818 is registered on. Updated on what? 1820. 1820. Here what? 1818. Doctor fee is 840 or not, guys? Doctor fee is 840 or not, guys? Is it not interesting, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not, guys? Okay, that's great. Okay, now let's see one more thing. Let's see one more thing, guys. Boot data JPA pros, versioning and what? Time stamping. What is there? Versioning and time stamping. Okay. Versioning feature and what? Time stamping feature. Versioning and time stamping feature. Okay, where is this, guys? Right click. I'm modifying one more time. Where is this? Java application. What application? Java application. Here, what is there? One doctor fee is updated. update count to here 1821 is coming. Am I doing anything additionally? Everything is taken care by. I just added annotations. Is it not great features, my dear? Is it not great feature or not, guys? I hope you convinced that they are great features. Okay, now listen. Not only these two things, guys, we have other column created by, updated by. These are called metadata columns. What columns? Okay, sir, when I have created by, updated by, what should I insert? Very simple. If it is a web application, login username will be there. Those things you have to keep it. But right now it's a standalone. OS username we can keep now, boss. Created by OS user, updated by OS user. Can I improvise that also, my dear? Okay, but first of all, we'll see up to this. Then I will write some comments. Then I will add all those stuff to you people. Runner class, here outputs are there. Here some outputs are coming or not there, guys. Yeah, whatever the output. Okay. See, update count is started with a zero and incremented or not there. I think in this example, in the classroom, in the paint, I have taken Airtel caller tune example I have taken. Caller tune, whenever caller tune changed, I'm just updating the count. And lastly, updated on, service opted on, everything is mentioned there or not there. Super, guys. A good programmer of real-time projects design the entity class having two types of properties. Number one, data properties. Okay, who actually represent the data bus. And the next one, metadata properties. Metadata properties are versioning property, timestamping properties, created by, updated by, and there will be one more property called active switch. That means record is for soft deletion. Record is active or inactive. Sometimes we block the card, na? When you block the card, people will delete the record or will disable the record. Disable the record, it is unblocked, right? Government blocks the account, freezes the account. They delete the record permanently or they will keep the record in inactive mode. That column they take it as active switch. Active, inactive, active. Okay, record is ready to use. Inactive means no other operation will happen on that record. They are called metadata properties. What properties? Okay. That's a perfect entity class designing, boss. So using data, we do our regular works, but this data will keep track of internal activities happening on the record. Oh, this record modified 3 times. This is inserted on so and so date. Lastly, accessed on so and so time. Done by that user, updated by this user, inserted by this user. Currently, this record is in active state, inactive state, something like that. So especially whenever code is blocked, you should not delete the record physically, but you should delete the record softly, logically, right? That time active switch kind of column is very useful or not, guys? Okay, guys. Let's bring them on. Let's bring them on now. Let's bring them on. Go to doctor here. Private string created by private string. What is there? Updated by private string created by private string updated by private string active SW active switch. That's a quite industry standard terminologies. Okay, na? Right. Okay. Right now, what is there? At the rate column. I don't want to say unnecessarily taking length. 30 created by 30 length. Next, at the rate column. Length is equal to 30. Length is equal to 30. At the rate column, what is there, guys? Length is equal to 10. At the rate column, length is equal to 10, guys. Are you getting my point here, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. Length is equal to 10. These are metadata columns only, na, my dear. Super. Okay. Now what I do is, wait a minute. I go to this place. I go to this place. I again drop the table. Why? Because I want to see these new columns also coming into picture. Again, this one, guys. Drop the table. Drop now. Okay. A good thought is best to close this, freshly open it. Okay. So now we have to set our active switch right now. Active switch by default is in active mode only, right? By default, unless until someone go for what blocking kind of thing, we have to keep in what inactive. That business entity we are not entertaining right now. That's why here you go there. Here is save object operation, na boss. Yeah, in the save object operation here, doctor dot created by, what is this? Created by system dot get property. What property? System dot get property. User dot name. System dot get property. User dot name. Yeah, what's problem? Not get. It is get. Yeah, updated by will come in update one. Okay, that's fine. Active switch. By default, it should be in active mode only, na boss. Doctor dot. Tell me. Set active switch. What is this? Active. Or enabled. Anything you can take. That's not a big issue. Okay, here I'm doing modification activity. Yeah, before, after modification or before modification. What is this? Doctor dot. Tell me. Updated by. What is this? Set updated by. Right now, it is not a web application. So that's why system dot get property. What is there? User dot home. User dot home or user dot name? User dot name. Okay. And the same user is updating, boss. Super, guys. Now you got the complete clarity. What is the use of metadata columns? If it is a web application, logged in username details we write. Session management, logged in username, na, those details. But right now it's a standalone, na, no option. We have to manage like this. Okay. Now, first of all, I go to this place. First of all, I go to this place. Yeah. Say this. Right. Can we add columns without dropping the table using alter SQL? Okay. Yeah, see guys, if you add extra property, it will add it, boss. But only for showing practicals nicely, I'm showing this. If you no need not dropping table. Okay, because update, na? What update speciality? Auto property update speciality is what? Table is there, uses it. If modifications are required only towards adding columns, it will do. Okay, table is not there, it will create a new table. Actually, to show neatly, I am dropping it. If you don't drop also, a new columns will be added by altering table internally. You need not to alter manually. That will be done. That will be done. Anyhow, that will be done, right? Okay. Right click, run as, where is this? Java application. You thoroughly enjoyed, array. Still not commented, huh? Yeah, inserted. Now record is inserted with all columns. Yes. Tables, refresh all. Where is this? Refresh all. Here is my select rows. Active Delhi Natras Suresh Cardio 700. This is the basic story or not, guys? This is the basic story or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. One active Delhi Natras Suresh Cardio 700. Okay. 2025 02. 2025-02 update count updated by, they are not there, 0. That's boss. Yeah. Now I will run this, guys. See, Natraz has come, created by Natraz has come. Did you notice that? Created by Natraz, but updated by has not come. Did you notice that? Why? Because update method is still not executed. Okay. Now what I do is I comment this. Done, boss. Here is what? Try. Here is the story. Here is the story. 120.0 inserted on, that is update count. Right click, run as Java application. One doctor fee is what? Updated. Update count 1 inserted on. Check it out, guys. See, right now only created by is updated. Active switch anyhow by default what has come? Active switch by default what has come, guys? Active only came, right? Okay, say refresh now. Okay, this time updated by also filled up with Natras or not, guys? Yeah, I think you understood how perfectly metadata columns will be there. Sometimes how many data columns are there, those many metadata columns will be there. But metadata column fixed, these are maximum. According to my experience, these are maximum. Right? Sir, why are you teaching this? After joining company by seeing those column, I don't want to see my people getting surprised. They are there. In every table, they are there. Got it, guys? Yes. Okay. In real projects, okay, where OR mapping, what is there? OR mapping, persistence logic. Persistence logic. Persistence logics are kept. We design entity classes having what, guys? Two types of properties. We design entity classes having two types of properties. Okay, two types of properties. Number one, what is there? Data properties. What properties, guys? Data. Number one, data properties. Number two, what properties? Number one, data properties. Number one, data properties. Number two, yeah, metadata properties. Yeah, these properties carry actual data, actual business data of the application. Metadata properties. These properties carry what, guys? These properties carry, okay, more additional information about the records. About the records. Okay. About the records. Yeah, tell me here, doctor.java. This is my doctor.java. Oh, problem is a size issue, guys. 7,000 height only now. How come? We generally don't work with that much less height content. Okay, maybe this is a small topic, na, that day not required. But now we are making big topic. Yes, guys. Yeah, 14. Yes, these are the data properties. These are the metadata properties, guys. Data properties and other side metadata properties. This place what we got? Data properties. This side what we got? Metadata properties. Super. One side data properties, another side metadata properties. Okay. Okay. In service interface. What interface, guys? In service interface. That's great. This is my service interface code now, my dear. Yes. Yes, boss. In what is this? Service IMPL class. In service IMPL class. Common. After giving these many things, we'll give runner class also once. Then I will print the table. I'll try to print the table content. I try to print the table content. Are you getting my point there, guys? Doctor repository, doctor repository. Come on, everyone. Versioning and what? Time stamping runner. Versioning and time stamping runner. Yeah. Copy this. Everyone getting my point? Yes. But here, I want to highlight metadata values that I have kept here. Yes, this is active switch metadata value only na. Versioning anyhow coming automatically, right? Here is what? Updated by OS name, current OS username we are going for. Lastly, what is there, guys? Yeah, remaining all are fine. So better to print table once now, my dear. Okay, I'm printing the table. Array, how to get the table in single screen? Let's reduce this Explorer navigator window once. More you expose. Can I reduce this kind? I think I can. Not going, Ra. What is missing? Oh, still missing. Any solution for this? Array, it's not going. Any option? Close, here, this one? That is closer. Sure, good, good. Yeah, this is metadata. I think you understood importance of metadata columns, guys. If someone asks, why are you using versioning, timestamping columns or properties to maintain metadata about the records? Matured programmer understands. What is metadata column? They are not data, they are representing additional information about the record, like how many time record modified, when record inserted, when record up. What is the use of it? They may not be useful in data business activity, but they are useful in what? Monitoring of the application or not, guys. See, that means how many things the people thinks while designing the table, while designing the entity classes, right? So real project is always real project. I always try to give that knowledge to you people so that when you join a company, when you look at any big entity class, you should not feel surprised. Because timestamp you have seen, version you have seen, then you will connect easily. Though you have not done practical, you might have heard this statement, so you can interlink very easily or not, guys. So all these are metadata columns now, boss. What are those? Active switch, last updated on, resisted on, next update count, updated by, somewhere created by. Sir, from where this Natras came? Are OS username, ra? Okay, that is what? OS username. I think you thoroughly enjoyed this versioning and timestamping concepts. Okay. By mistake, if we delete Java file project package in Eclipse, is there any way to restore did Eclipse? No, sir, not there. Not there. That's why we have to keep the things in code repository. That's the reason we have to keep the code in what? Code repository. Lakshman, active switch to maintain whether record is in active state or inactive state. Suppose I blocked the array. Why don't you listen, class, my dear? Not in table, huh? Lakshman, I think you should go to doctor once. Lakshman, please contact nearby eye doctor. Why I will tell? Because with the red mark I have highlighted. With the red mark I have highlighted. Okay, fine. It happens sometimes. It happens sometimes. Fine. I think tomorrow onwards we are going to have sessions on common topic for 3 days. This class continuation will be on what? Tuesday. Right. Okay. And as usually, since I'm in a different place and admins, generally I warn them, I'll alert them, okay, to start the meetings and then. But please be in, if any class is delayed by 15-20 minutes, don't panic. Watch Facebook group, my Facebook group, then take a decision of leaving or staying back. Is that clear? Okay, because I'll update in the Facebook. Session will be delayed or session admin is not started meeting. One Sunday it happened for us, right, boss? Okay. Tell me here, 7 a.m. Uh, this one, guys. Tell me next one. Huh? Where is this? Where is this, guys? 9 a.m., 5:30 p.m. Yes. Madhava Tanniru. Okay. Saturday 10 a.m. It may touch 10:15, 10:30 also, but maximum 10 a.m. Okay. Sunday, Monday 7 a.m. It's clear. Sunday, Monday 7 a.m. Okay, guys. Here, what is there? Boot data JPA. Right click. Okay. 515. What is there? 515. Boot data JPA. Then tell me what is the story? 12. Yeah. See, I opened ready-made document for explanation, but we developed our own example and I found some improvisation is required about metadata column. I added the new content. But see, if I start typing versioning definition, versioning code, I would have completed only versioning concept only. Either I should spuggle metadata concept or I have to teach it next day. Please understand because I am thinking for your benefit only. Right. Okay. And for 120 session only people are dropping, right? If I take 6 months, 7 months, no one comes. Right. It may give temporarily little uncomfort, but long run it is good. Yes. Okay. What is there? 12. Versioning and time stamping feature. I think I saved it. Done. Okay. One more time I do this. File upload 12. Save open. Say upload. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow.